Morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Wednesday, July 23, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 13, verses 1 to 9. We will just read the very core of our message in verses 3, 8, and 9. Then he began to tell them many things in parables. He said, "Listen, a farmer went out to sow. But the other seeds fell on good soil and produced a crop, some 100, some 60, and some 30 times what was sown. Let the person who has ears listen." The Gospel of the Lord. Our message, heart matters. First, meditate. It is not enough to hear it once. Meditate on the Word of God day and night until you are convinced and enlightened according to His will. Second, practice. To know it is not enough. Do what you know and hear about God. Do not let the worries and problems you experience destroy and hinder you. And third, live. The Word of God is life. Living by the Word of God is letting the Word of God become your life. Good morning and God bless us all.